AJ Shaver here, and today I want to talk about ratchet straps. Why? Because they're a necessary evil. We have to use them. There's no way of doing this without them. So we have a new HWP 150 left hand and an HWP 140B on the other side. That one's going to be going to New Jersey tomorrow, but we're going to keep the 150 around because I ordered it with the left hand, so it brought the wedge from on the right over to the left, hence the name. But we did that because of the Bobcat Toolcat. This way, as I process the firewood, it puts the wedge right in front of me and I can see it. When we were using it last, it was actually snowing, not 85 degrees like it is now. And it was tough to see the wedge because it was so far away from where I was sitting, is why we ordered the left hand. But I digress. Straps, stay on point. So let me get the camera out of the tripod. I'll show you what we have going on, and we'll go from there. And I'll save the 150 information for a 150 video later on. All right, so ratchet straps. It's always interesting to see other people or watch other people deal with the extra on the strap, and whether it's tying it and looping it and knots and everything else, or shoving it underneath the ratchet itself. These are the two popular methods that we've been using here around the woodlot. I've been using this kind of setup for probably a year. It's really easy, but like all of you, I watch YouTube too, and somebody showed me this one, and I really like it. It's called a strap tie, kind of like how you tie a necktie for a suit. It's pretty cool. It works really well. It was very simple. It's snug. It's not going anywhere. Of course, neither is the other one, but I like this one. It keeps a little bit tighter. And yeah, so let me put it back in the tripod, and I'll show you how to unravel them and then how to wrap them back up. All right, so we'll start at the end. This is what it looks like, all snugged up. And the two methods are pretty similar. And what I like to do is I always keep the numbers in the up, just that way I know when I throw the strap around, you know, the piece of equipment or whatever's on the pallet that we're trying to secure. So if you come around, make like a nice little 6-inch, 8-inch loop, and then you can just kind of roll it. Some of the other videos, they're folding it like by halves or whatever. This one works pretty well because it comes right up. And what you want to do is reach on the inside here and grab, oh, probably about that much, 30 inches, give or take. And then push this flat against the strap itself. You're going to take this and go around once, go around twice, and on that second loop, take the extra and go through the top up here, pull it snug, and then just kind of work this down. And it's done. It's just that easy. All right, I'm trying to get the tripod set because literally the sun's like right here. So again, starting where we finish, just kind of a twist through. So you take it out, you get everything in the hand. Same as last time, I like keeping the stripe or the lettering on top so I know where everything's at. And again, it's the same 6 to 8 inch, you know, little loop on it. And again, some people kind of keep folding this in half. I like to just do this where it just spools it up in your hand. It's a little bit easier. It's actually even easier if I didn't have the extra little loop there or the twist in the strap. So once you have, you know, the round here, all you're gonna do is go behind the strap. This one isn't as open as the other one was. And basically all you're gonna do is make a slip knot. So you keep a little loose here, you pull through, so it looks like this, and then all you do is you twist and turn, and as you turn it, it tightens it down on itself. And there it is. So I'm really leaning towards this new one, the strap tie, like a necktie. The way it cinches down on there, makes it look all spiffy, I guess. So been using that one for a while, a lot of success with it, but the way that one stays on top of the ratchet, I really like that one. So you don't have to fight for getting underneath and doing that loop, so you can roll it down. So, hey, if you like it, put something in the comments down below. Definitely share it. If you have not subscribed to our channel just for helpful tips, whether it's on wood processors or splitters or firewood bags or trailers or anything, right down to securing the load. And so hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.